Hello students, today we will talk about exercise 2.2 from question number 8. Question number 1 to 7 are discussed in last video. So look question number 8. By what number should 3 inverse be multiplied to get the product as minus 6 inverse? Now you know what we do. We suppose that 3 inverse be multiplied by x to get the product as minus 6 inverse. Now we multiply 3 inverse by x is equal to minus 6 inverse. Now 3 inverse equals to 1 by 3 into x is equal to minus 6 inverse becomes 1 by minus 6. Then x is equal to 3 is transpose 3 by minus 6, then we get x is equal to 1 by minus 2. Now question 9th is, by what number should 2 by 3 raised to power minus 2 be multiplied to get the product as minus 9 by 4 inverse? So we multiply 2 by 3 raised to power minus 2 by x to get minus 9 by 4 inverse. We get 2 by 3 raised to power minus 2 into x is equal to minus 9 by 4 inverse. Then it becomes 3 by 2 raised to power 2 into x is equal to minus 9 by 4 means inverse 4 by minus 9. When we solve 3 square 9 2 square 4 into x is equal to 4 by minus 9. Then x becomes 4 by minus 9 into 4 by 9. So x is equal to 16 by minus 81. Hence 2 by 3 raised to power minus 2 be multiplied by 16 by minus 81 to get the product as minus 9 by 4 inverse. Now question number 10 is, by what number should minus 3 by 2 raised to power minus 4 be divided to get the quotient as 4 by 27 raised to power 3? So in this question we suppose that minus 3 by 2 raised to power minus 4 be divided by x to give the quotient as 4 by 27 raised to power 3. So minus 3 by 2 raised to power minus 4 is divided by x is equal to 4 by 27 raised to power 3. Now minus 3 by 2 raised to power minus 4 becomes 2 by minus 3 raised to power 4 into 1 by x is equal to 4 by 27 cube. We write it in 3 times multiply. Now when we transpose x it becomes x, and we transpose 4 by 27 in left side, so it becomes 2 by 3 we write 4 times and 27 by 4 3 times. To cancel them we get x is equal to 529 by 12. So we have to divide minus 3 by 2 raised to power minus 4 by 529 by 12 to get the quotient as 4 by 27 raised to power 3. Now question 11 is, by what number should 7 by 3 inverse be divided to give the quotient as 25 by 21? Question 11 is same as question 10, so you try yourself. Now question number 12 is, find x if 1 by 5 raised to power minus 8 into 1 by 5 raised to power minus 4 is equal to 1 by 5 raised to power minus 4x. Here look, the base are same 1 by 5. अब आपको पता है कि जब हमारा बेस सेम होता है तो हमारे पास क्या प्रॉपर्टी होती है, इफ am मल्टीप्लाई an दैट्स इक्वल्स टू m प्लस n. So 1 by 5 raised to power becomes minus 8 plus minus 4 is equal to 1 by 5 raised to power minus 4x. Then 1 by 5 raised to power minus 8 minus 4 are added, minus 12 is equal to 1 by 5 raised to power minus 4x. अब देखिए आपके पास 1 by 5 की पावर यहाँ है, 1 by 5 की यहाँ है, मीन्स आपका बेस सेम है तो पावर्स भी क्या होंगे, सेम होंगे, क्योंकि इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन है. Then minus 4x equals to minus 12. By solving we get x is equal to 3. So what will be the value of x? X is 3. Now the b part is minus 1 by 3 raised to power minus 18 divides 1 by minus 1 by 3 raised to power 7 equals to minus 1 by 3 raised to power minus 2x plus 1. Here we see that there is a sign of divide. So in dividation, when am divides an, we get am minus n. So minus 1 by 3 power minus 18 minus 7 equals to minus 1 by 3 minus 2x plus 1. Now same as a part, we equate the values of power. So minus 2x plus 1 equals to minus 25. We take minus 2x plus 1 in left side is equal to minus 25. Then 2x is minus 25 minus 1. Minus 2x is equal to minus 26. Minus are cancelled. Then x becomes 13. So value of x is 13. Now c part is minus 3 by 5 raised to power 14 into minus 3 by 5 raised to power minus 3 equals to minus 3 by 5 raised to power 3x plus 2. This question is same as a part, so you can do it. Now we discuss question 13. If x is equal to 2 by 3 raised to power minus 4 into 3 by 2 raised to power 2, find the value of x minus 2 and x inverse. So first of all we have to solve the value of x. Then x is equal to 2 by 3 raised to power minus 4 and 3 by 2 raised to power 2. 2 by 3 raised to power minus 4 becomes, base are changed, 3 by 2 and power will be positive into 3 by 2 square. Now base are same and there is a sign of multiplication, so it becomes 3 by 2 raised to power 6. Now x is 3 by 2 raised to power 6, then x raised to power minus 2 becomes 3 by 2 raised to power 6 and power minus 2. So 3 by 2, 6, 2 minus 12 and minus 12 it becomes 2 by 3 raised to power 12. Now x inverse is 3 by 2 raised to power 6 power minus 1, so it becomes 3 by 2 raised to power minus 6. It will change 2 by 3 raised to power 6. Now question 14 is if p by q is equal to 5 by 6 raised to power minus 2 divides 1 by 5 raised to power 2, find the value of p by q raised to power minus 3. So you can find the value of p by q by solving it and then find the value of this. You can do this question yourself. Now question 15 is find the value of m if 6 raised to power 2m divides 6 raised to power minus 3 is equal to 6 raised to power 5. This question is same as the last question. So there is dividation, so 6 raised to power becomes 2m minus 3 is equal to 6, 5. It becomes 6, 2m plus 3 is equal to 6 raised to power 5. Then 6 are same base, so 2m plus 3 is equal to 5. Then we solve it, then m equals to 1. The b part, it is also a divide sign, so you can do it. Next is also minus 5m minus 1 divides minus 5 square is equal to minus 5 minus 6, so you can try it. Now your exercise 2.2 is complete. We discuss the exercise 2.3 in next video. I hope you will understand. Thank you.